hatch day is supposed to be tomorrow, but we got some activity in there. Got one, my window is dirty. One little bitty baby bunny. And that one back there is a bunny. I want to move it down there. If I can get a hold of it. I might not can get a hold of it. You're still in the turning tray. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, look at your little self. You're cute. You're cute little thing. Okay, get down there with your friend. Get down there with your friend. Alright. I might need to put some newspaper on that. Okay. We got one more pipped right there. That hatch day is supposed to be tomorrow. And this was a Hail Mary for all my eggs after I had dogs kill all my chickens. I had not planned on it. I just had the eggs out and hadn't washed them or anything. And didn't know how old they were, you know, more than 7 to 10 days. Because leave them out on the cabinet. But anyway, I get a few to replace. Thanks for watching.